morning, children. Yes, have you all enjoyed your Diwali? Have you all burnt your crackers? Yes. Now it's time for learning. Today I'm going to explain you the new chapter. Okay? New chapter, that is HCF and LCF. HCF means highest common factor. HCF అంటే ఏంటి? Highest common factor. LCM అంటే least common multiple. In the last chapter I have explained the factors. Factors and multiples. No? Factors and multiples. In the last chapter I have explained you factors and multiples. Okay? Factors means factors of 12. Yes, what are the factors of 12, children? What are the factors of 12? Factors means 12 ఏ టేబుల్ వస్తుందో అది రాయాలి. ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ బోలైతే 12 జో టేబుల్ में आता. 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table, 12 table. Okay? Like this. అదే మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 12 అంటే మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 12 అంటే ఎలా రాయాలి? मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 12 అంటే 12 टेबल में जो जो आता 12 2 24 12 3 36 12 4 40 ऐसा ये पूरे मल्टीपल्स बोलते अर्थమైందా yes in finding out factors we have two methods yes long division method and prime factor method prime factors అంటే prime numbers తీసుకోవాలి prime numbers ఏమేంటివి అవి ఏ టేబుల్ లో రావు वेटी टेबल दो ही टेबल्स में आते हैं जिसके नंबर ओ टेबल में आता अगर 3 टेबल में आता 1 टेबल में आता दो ही फैक्टर्स रहते उसको उसको बोलते प्राइम नंबर्स सही ना टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू दीस सम्स चिल्ड्रन नाउ ओपन योर क्लास वर्क put take out a fresh page put the heading yes now page number 82 yes open page number 82 children page number 82 put date put page number 82 chapter heading fresh page children yes now I'm going to do only 2 other 4 are for homework yes find the HCF of given numbers by the factor method yes by the factor method first bit A1 36 12 48 इसको क्या मेथड में फाइंड आउट करो बोल रहे हैं ये मेथड లో కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు ఫ్యాక్టర్ మెథడ్ లో ఓకే ఫైండ్ ద HCF బై ఫ్యాక్టర్ మెథడ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ మెథడ్ ఏమేంటిది yes solution now the factors रखना 36 factors అంటే ఏంటి 36 ए टेबल లో వస్తది जिस टेबल में 36 आता वो पूरे लिखना वन टेबल में जो हर एक नंबर वन टेबल में आता 2 टेबल में yes 3 टेबल में 4 टेबल में 6 12 9 also sorry yeah 9 also 9 12 then after 18 then 36 okay like this next 12 1 2 3 4 6 12 then 48 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 18 16 these are 16 also children 12 16 24 then 48 okay इसमें से कॉमन वालों को सर्कल कर लो 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 6 6 6 8 नहीं है 12 है 3 जगह में 3 में 12 यस HCF कॉमन में 1 2 ये सब में कौन पड़ा है 12 पड़ा है HCF is equal to 12 okay followed now I'll say one more the other 4 are for your homework I'll say now 6 8 10 children yes B1 not this is F1 children F1 which one is it F1 6 8 10 okay in this 6 8 10 which is a common 6 के पूरे लिखो 6 कौन से टेबल में था 1 टेबल 2 टेबल 3 टेबल 6 टेबल 8 टेबल 8 1 टेबल 2 टेबल 4 टेबल 4 2s are 2 4s are 8 table over now 10 1 2 5 that's all and 10 yes now इसमें कॉमन कौन है 1 1 1 2 2 2 बड़ा कौन है कॉमन दो कॉमन नंबर देख लो उसमें बड़ा कौन है 2 HCF is equal to 2 అర్థమైందా ఫస్ట్ బిట్ ఇది అమ్మా yes copy down these two the other 4 you do as homework children okay Now I am going to explain you the second bit. Yes, what about second bit? Find out the HCF of the given numbers by prime factor method. Yes, prime factor method में second bit prime factor method में find out करो. Now I'll say C1 children here. C1 I'll say, not A. C1 I'll say 44, 60, 36. 44, 60, 36. Here also I'll say only 2 sums children. Other 4 you do as homework. Okay? 44. Solution. 44. Here they asked you to do in prime factor method children. Prime factor method is how? You're going to take prime numbers. 2 22s are. 2 11s are. 11 कौन से भी टेबल में नहीं आता. अगर सिर्फ 11 टेबल में 1 टेबल में. So 11 was 11. Now 60. 2 3s are 6 0. 2 15s are. 3 5s are. 5 1s are. Now 36. 2 18s are. 2 9s are. 3 3s are. 3 1s are. Okay? Now write. ये सब लिख लो. 44 के में मल्टीप्लाई जैसे हम 2 into 2 into 11. Then 60 के 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 36 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Yes, इसमें कॉमन कौन है? 2 2 2 और एक 2 भी कॉमन है. Now HCF is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Over. Like this. Yes? Shall I say one more? Yes, I am going to say now E1 children. E1. Yes. Now E1 children. Yes. Solution. Start E1. First 75 की, తర్వాత 108 की, తర్వాత 180 की. Okay, 75. जब भी लास्ट नंबर 5 है तो आप 5 टेबल में ही ले लो. 5 15 5 से 75. 3 5 are 15. 5 1 are 5. Okay, now 108. 8 है ना. 8 कौन से टेबल में आता? सबसे छोटा 2 टेबल में. 2 5 are 10. 2 4 are 8. 2 2 are 4 1. 2 7 are 14. 54 ఎలా వస్తుందో తెలియదు కదా. తెలియకపోతే ఇలా 54 ని डिवाइड చేసుకోండి अम्मा. जो भी बड़ा नंबर है आपको नहीं मालूम कब आता. देखो 108 को भी ऐसा करके देख लो. 2 5 are 10. 8 आया. 2 4 are 8. ऐसा. अब 54. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. 4. 2 7s are 14. तो कब आता 2 टेबल में 54? 2 27s are. अब 27 3 टेबल में 3 9s are. 3 3s are. 3 1s are. Now 180. 3 6 are 18 0. 3 2s are 6 0. 2 10s are. 2 5s are. 5 1s are. Okay, like this. अब सब जने को लिख लेंगे. 75 को क्या क्या लाए? 5 into 3 into 5. Now 108 को क्या है? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 180 को क्या है? 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. हाँ, మూడు ఇట్లలో కామన్ గా ఏది ఉంది? 3 3 3. 5 इधर है लेकिन इसमें नहीं है 108 में. So HCF is equal to 3. That's all. एक ही नंबर है कॉमन 3. हो गया? This is your second bit. Okay children, this is your second bit. Other sums you do as homework children. Now I am going to explain you third bit. Third bit also I will say 2 problems. Other sums you do as homework children. I want everyone to complete your homework. First of all, learn tables. If without learning tables, you can't do these sums. Okay? If you know tables perfectly only, you can write which table, what number comes in which table. Okay? Learn the tables. First, revise the tables daily. Yes, children? Now, what is the next? Find the HCF by long division method, children. Long division method. I'll say first one. Shall I say first one? Yes, first one, D1. A and D I'll say children. A. థర్డ్ బిట్ లో ఏ. A1 ఏది 108, 144. Then what is the next one? 60. Okay children. Now solution. Long division method. This is in long division method. So पहले ये दो नंबर्स को लेना है स्टेप 1 में. इसमें से छोटा कौन है? छोटा को पहले लिख लो इधर, बीच में बड़ा नंबर. 108 1 जा 108. 4 minus 8 does not go. 14 minus 8. 9 10 11 12 13 14 6. 3 minus 0 3. 36 आया. तो ये इधर आ जाता है ऐसा. ओके 108. अब 36 टेबल में रफ कॉलम चिल्ड्रन दिस इज. ओके रफ कॉलम. 36 2 जा 2 6 जा 12 2 3 जा 6 72. 36 into 3 3 3 जा 18 3 3 जा 9 10. ओके 36 3 जा 108. अब ये दोनों को कितना आया? जो भी ये नंबर है ये है HCF. ओके ये है HCF. Now with this number you are going to do this number. Step 2 में क्या करना? Step 2 में ये 36 आए ना यहाँ पर, ये है HCF ये दोनों के नंबर्स के. इसके 36 से 60 को करो. 36 2 जा 72. तो 36 1 जा 36. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 4. 5 minus 24 divided by 36. Again 24 1 जा 24. 2 1. 12 divided by 24. 12 2 जा 24. So अब HCF क्या है? Therefore HCF is equal to, जो भी नंबर यहाँ पर किससे डिवाइड करे तो 0 आया 12. तो 12 आया समझ में? ओके नाउ I'll say one more children. 140 no 96 128 72. D1. Sorry C1. I'll say C1 I'll say the others are for homework. C1 children. 96 128 and yes. Now you do C. First what did I say? These two numbers you have to take. 96 divided by 128. 96 ones are 96. Okay 8 minus 6 2. ఇది 0 అయిపోయి ఇది 12 అయిపోతుంది. 12 minus 9 3. 32 divided by this number comes here again. 96. 32 2s are 32 no. 32 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 32 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3s are 96. Oh yes. What is the HCF for these two numbers is 32. Yes. Step 2 में क्या करना? Step 2 में ये 32 से 72 को डिवाइड करना. 32 3s are 96. 32 2s are 64. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 8. This 32 comes here. 32. 8 4s are 32. Okay children, 8 4s are 32. 0. Therefore HCF is equal to कितना आया? 8. Okay. Followed. Come on, do this too. Copy them. Have you all copied them? Yes children. All the other sums which I left out. Yes. Learn them. And your homework is complete all the problems. Homework do page number 82, first, second and third bits. Okay children? Yes, this is your homework children. Complete it. Copy down. Children, one more homework. Learn the tables. Yes, 2 to 20 tables you have to be perfect. Write them one time in your rough book and learn them. Okay? Because for LCM you need tables only children.